What's up? I'm doing my 2013 bike check. I got Colt plastic barns. They came with the Colt waffle grips. I got some ODI long neck grips. Odyssey monolever. Sunday brake cable. Fit Clubman bars. Got a S&M low redneck stem. Got a Shadow Corvus headset. Fit Shiv forks. Odyssey Aitken front tire. Front wheel is a Colony hub laced with Primo spokes to a proper front rim. Got a Colt butter peg. I got the Mutiny Cosmotron frame. Got that 2 days ago. Couldn't ride it for a day because I didn't realize that it didn't have an integrated seat post clamp. So I had to go run out and get one. Let's see. Got a Primo plastic pedals. I've had those for like 2.5 years almost. I don't know, I took them off for a while, but I put them back on the other day. Stolen Team Cranks 2.5 version, whatever. I don't know. Got a Profile spline drive, 25 tooth sprocket, Mechanic half link. What else? Demolition brakes, United seat post clamp, stolen Thermalite seat post, Demolition pivotal seat. What else? I got a proper back hub laced to a proper back rim. Not sure what spokes. Fit FAF tire. I think it's 2.1. Colt butter peg in the back. What else? And I think that's about it. Alright, should be trying to get together and edit pretty soon. I just gotta find a little bit more time to ride. And alright, thanks for watching.